Hello and welcome to our discussion about the instant notification add-on feature. We're assuming at this point that you've already set up your account and that you've decided you want to be instantly notified if a certain action occurs. You will go to your admin panel and you will go to click notification categories, and what you'll see here is a list of categories by which websites can be categorized, and you get to choose if you want to be notified, for instance, if a dating site is accessed, gambling, games, phishing sites, weapons, file sharing, webmail, adult, and those are the ones that we have selected in this in this instance. So when you decide what you want to be notified of, you just click Save, and those will be coming to you if you have selected that in your product settings. I guess I should go back and tell you, if you don't have that already, you can select that right here, and website content problem notification. That would be unselected. If you don't have it, you select it and then update, and you will be ready to go. I'm going to wait for that to update. Okay. Now we're going back to notification categories. Here's what you decided, and here's something else. You can also, if you have specific websites that you want to block or not block, be notified of, this would be where you could put those in. So you can type in the entire website. You would be notified of only on that page. You can type in a shorter string that would, anything that had ESPN.com, for instance, you could be sent a notification, but you want to be careful not to get it too short, because it could produce some false notifications to you. You can also give a general one that might, like this, that might capture games, but you got 50 of them you can name. You may not want to start with any at all, but that's fine. What you'll see over here is these are applications. So if any of the following applications are used on the computers, then you will get a notification. For instance, you may want to encourage Internet Explorer usage, because our Activity software works much better with Internet Explorer, and so in your organization you want to have Internet Explorer. So you would want to receive a notification if any of these browsers were accessed, and you might also want to add iTunes. I don't know. The limit is whatever you want. You could type in QuickBooks if you wanted to, but you would not want to type in the word quick if you only wanted QuickBooks, because if you typed in quick, I bet you know what's going to happen. You might get a notification every time QuickTime was used, or anything that comes to that, anything that contains the word quick. So we would save those settings, and then you would be ready to go. You will begin receiving instant notifications if anybody in your organization selects those, and you will be told exactly which of the users has accessed one of those sites. You should be careful to check the data first, the actual data, by going back here, checking the activity by date, and be sure that what the violation you received actually was a problem, because categorizing websites is an inexact science, and you wouldn't want to have that discussion if it wasn't necessary. So that's it for notification categories. Hope you enjoy that.